In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello. Whether you're managing a project, organizing a team, or simply trying to keep your tasks straight, Trello is a versatile tool that can help you stay organized and on track. Let's dive right into it. First, to get started, head over to Trello.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a free account. The sign up process is straightforward, just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Trello dashboard. Next, take a look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it and you'll find an option to create a workspace. This is the foundation of your Trello experience, a space where all your boards and team collaborations will live. When you're creating your workspace, you'll want to name it something relevant. For example, if you're setting this up for your marketing department, you might call it Marketing Team. Additionally, you'll have the option to choose a type that best describes the nature of the workspace. At this time, Trello will also give you the option to add team members to your workspace. If you're not ready to do so just yet, you can skip this step and add members later. Now let's move on to creating boards within your workspace. Boards are where you'll organize your projects and tasks. To create a new board, click Create New Board from within your workspace, give your board a memorable name like Content Calendar, then select a background color or image that inspires you. With your board set up, it's time to think about lists. Lists in Trello are vertical columns that represent stages of a process. Common examples might include to do, doing, and done. These lists will help frame your workflow and keep tasks moving along smoothly. To get your workflow set up, simply click Add a List and title it accordingly. Next, let's talk about cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items within your lists. Adding a card is easy, just click Add a Card under the list where it belongs. As an example, you might have a card titled Write Blog Post sitting in your to-do list. Once you've added a card, you can click on it to expand and access more detailed options. Here, you can add a description, set due dates, attach files or links, and add labels or checklists. You can also leave comments and assign specific team members to tasks. As your tasks progress through your system, you can easily update your board by dragging and dropping cards from one list to another. This simple action reflects the status change of your project, ensuring everyone on your team stays informed. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to get you started with Trello. Have fun exploring its features and organizing your tasks with ease.